Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you've seen my recent video on my interview with the founder of eclarity, who's a local homegrown SME business in Singapore, you would know that I've recently had an upgraded version of my engagement ring. I got my first engagement ring with her as well. That was like 8 years ago, and there was no other place that I could think of that I could trust to get another ring. And this time, this would be my ring, and this is a 3-carat lab-grown diamond oval in a hidden halo setting and white gold. So I'm going to share with you my thought process on my research and why I've decided to get an upgraded engagement ring, a bit of the differences between a natural diamond versus a lab-grown diamond, and why I feel moving forward I will only be buying lab-grown diamonds from now on. Actual engagement ring with Read Your Heart's wedding band, and if you see, it is not exactly very flushed. And it also depends if you like this look, but personally I would prefer a flushed look. And setting and craftsmanship is really important. So it's not about the diamond, it's about the craftsmanship. And I've also went for claw prongs. Of all the prongs, I just prefer a more seamless look. The difference between a lab-grown and a natural diamond is that there's no difference. It's just made of carbon, and the lab-grown diamond is just made in the lab. I'm also going to be featuring this brand called Read Your Heart, and they have kindly sent me a few of their rings, and I'm just going to go through the pieces as well. Actually, GRA certified moissanite. Can you imagine how beautiful this is? This is actually one from them, and I'm also wearing one of the other rings that I've stacked together with my engagement rings. It comes in a really nice turquoise box, and I've also got one more ring here, and stay tuned for the end of this video because this is going to be a giveaway video, and this is going to be a present to give away to one of my subscribers who has watched this video. I've been really into jewelry recently, especially diamonds, lab-grown diamonds, gems, natural stones, and this is how the packaging came like. It comes in this, and it comes in like a cloth as well. Read Your Heart is actually an online jewelry brand, and they have so many selections of rings, necklaces, bracelets that you can think of, and I had a really hard time choosing 2 pieces from the website because everything was just so beautiful. And they also had a sizing guide. This is the brochure. They've also got like a return and exchange policy, so you're able, let's say if it doesn't fit you, you're able to actually exchange the ring size for something else. So I'm also going to be sharing with you the difference between moissanite and diamond as well. So with the moissanite, of course the hardness level is lesser than a real diamond. The brilliance is actually more, comes across as a little bit more rainbowy, whereas for the diamond and lab diamond, it comes across as a little bit more white, almost like ice, where it doesn't have that rainbow effect. The gloss is much higher, so you'll notice that even for moissanite, it's really very stunningly shiny. And they even sent me a grading of this little necklace right here. Even have like a card that certifies. Grading report for this particular stone is amazing. It's a 1 carat in a D color, so this is one of the best, and it's in VVS1, which is a very high clarity grade, and the cut rate is excellent as well. So what can I say about this product? It's really amazing. This is the whole grading here. So the higher you go, of course, D it means that it's very good. This is in a size 9, and this can actually fit my center finger as well, and I use this for my ring finger, and I just stack it. So I'm actually okay with having a bigger ring because I do like versatility in stacking. This is a size 9. Giveaway portion, this is actually in a 6.5, so I've got personally really big hands, and thicker fingers, but I think that this would fit quite a lot of girls out there. This is in a 6.5. This is in the exact style, which is their very classic engagement design style. So this is in full moissanite. This ring is under the wedding band section called the round moissanite sterling silver wedding band stackable ring, and the ratings are super high. It's like 5-star ratings, and it's in sterling silver. What can I say? I tell you, I can't even notice the difference between my lab grown diamond and my moissanite ring. Can you imagine? It's free shipping on any order that's above USD $89, and right now they're also having a buy one get 40% off as well. You can also use my coupon code and you can get some discount off the website. My ring actually costs for a size 9 about $66.95 in USD. You can also get it custom made, and it's actually safe. They use you can pay by PayPal as well, or even any form of credit cards. There's a 30 days free return policy, and it also has free shipping as well. The price is amazing. This is just less than 100 USD for such amazing quality, because I can tell you, like, I know that people's perception is like, yeah, you know, you should get like natural diamonds, or but let's say if you are somebody who just can't decide between what engagement rings you want or what wedding bands you want, then why not try it out first? Why not go to the website, try out some of the pieces, see if it's something that fits you in terms of the design, and if you are really stoked about the design, then go for a lab diamond or a real diamond. So I really just had to put this in. This is actually from Tiffany Cole, and it's a very similar earring that costs $41,200. Look what I found on Read Your Heart's website. So they have a very similar looking earring, sterling silver, for $179. Can you tell that's like $180 for a stunning moissanite earring? But all the metals are 925 sterling silver, but it is in yellow gold plated. Let me tell you a little bit more about moissanite. So moissanite is one of the rarest minerals found in nature, and moissanite can be a substitute to diamond. It is a much more affordable version to the diamonds that you see, and it is still man-made, so it's very sustainable, because for real diamonds, you will realize that it's really bad for the environment. It uses a lot of water. It's super laborious just to get one small little natural diamond out from the earth, and that's why I'm a big believer of lab-grown diamonds, of course, and definitely moissanite is part of my consideration right now. Seeing extremely amazing reviews so far from a lot of customers, and they've even got like a customer service 24-hour support system. So it's almost like a WhatsApp chat in the event if you're not sure of what product to get, or if you're not sure about your sizing, then somebody can come and help you out. The giveaway: a lucky winner will receive this particular wedding band from Read Your Heart, and all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with me your ideal wedding band or engagement band style. Would you prefer lab-grown diamonds, natural diamonds, moissanite? Are you someone who only would go for natural, or are you somebody who would go for oval diamonds now, or the classic kind of round-shaped diamonds? So let me know your thoughts. I would love to really start a conversation around this, and the lucky winner will get to know in 2 weeks time as well, via a direct post. So remember to also include your name and your Instagram handle as well in the description box. I'm also extending this giveaway to anybody outside of Singapore, so it's international. So I look forward to hearing your thoughts, and I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit more on the description column down below. I will see you in my next one, and thanks so much for tuning in, and bye.